Welcome to the dojo. Do you know your equipment sound challenge? Today we are going to put against Senpai Arav versus Senpai Dom to see, do they really know the equipment they're teaching students with? So what's going to happen is Senpai Anya is going to take different pieces of equipment at an easy, medium, and hard level and make a noise with it. And they have to guess what piece of equipment that is when Sensei Ella marks either yes correct or no incorrect. So here we go.
Nunchucks. That's clapper. Blast master.
And now for our tiebreaker. So what's gonna happen here is Senpai Anya is going to make a noise with our tie-breaking piece of equipment here. And Senpai Arav and Senpai Dom are going to guess what this equipment is. They only get one guess, and whoever guesses correctly, they drop the dot first to speak, and they are the winner. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Senpai Dom.
Hand target?
Incorrect. Senpai Arav. Incorrect.
Oh,
Guess again.
Dom first. Clapper?
Incorrect. Yes. Incorrect.
Blocker.
Incorrect. Incorrect.
Oh, can you play it again, please?
Okay.
Soft sword?
What?
Soft sword?
Correct.